Hey everyone, you ready to be surprised? But first, if you like this, hit like and subscribe. Today, the top 5 poorest countries in the world for 2025. These places face some of the toughest challenges on Earth. Let's jump right in. You won't believe number 5. At number 5, Sierra Leone, civil war, disease, poor roads, schools, hospitals struggle, but people keep fighting to rebuild. Number 4, Yemen. Number 4, years of conflict have made life unbelievably hard. Most families rely on small-scale farming to survive. Food insecurity is common. Number 3 now, the Central African Republic. Number 3, it's a beautiful country, but constant political fights hurt stability. Jobs are scarce and businesses often close. That keeps poverty high. Number 2, Burundi. A huge portion of people depend on farming. The weather can be brutal, drought or floods. Food shortages and tight money are common. People live on very little cash. And finally, the poorest country for 2025 is South Sudan. Since it became a country, war has been all too common. Hunger and malnutrition are widespread. There's almost no industry to create jobs. Most people just try to find enough to eat each day. Money is scarce and prices bite hard. You might ask, what about cost of living? When we adjust for cost of living, PPP, the list shifts. And one country sneaks onto the list that might surprise you. Adjusted for PPP, the Democratic Republic of the Congo appears on the list. It's a massive country with severe conflict and instability. Rich in resources, yet many people remain extremely poor. Surprising, right? Quick recap: South Sudan, Burundi, Yemen, Sierra Leone, and DRC on PPP. All these places share big hurdles: conflict, weak governments, dependence on fragile farming, and little infrastructure. These problems keep development stalled, but people here are incredibly resilient. Local groups rebuild schools, clinics, markets. Behind every statistic is a real person with dreams. Small wins matter: education, healthcare, local enterprise. Change is slow but possible. If this opened your eyes, hit like and subscribe for more quick world facts. Thanks for watching. Remember, people here have hopes like yours and mine. Small acts help. Share, learn, and spread awareness. See you in the next video. Every stat is a story worth telling. Keep learning, keep caring, learn, share, help. Thanks again, and take care. Subscribe for more. One last time, like and subscribe. Share this with someone who loves world facts. Let's keep the conversation going. See you soon. Thanks for watching.